Growing flower bulbs tips. Right bulb at the right time. Not all bulbs are planted at the same time. Spring flowering bulbs like tulips and daffodils are typically planted in the fall, while summer blooming varieties like lilies are planted in the spring. Choose healthy bulbs. When purchasing bulbs, select those that are firm to the touch, free of mold and have an intact husk. Avoid bulbs that are soft or shriveled. Planting depth matters. As a general rule, bulbs should be planted 3 times their height deep in the soil. Ensure you read planting instructions specific to each bulb type. Bulb orientation. Bulbs should be planted with their pointy end facing up. If you're unsure, plant the bulb on its side. It will still find its way up. Well-draining soil. Bulbs prefer soil that drains well. Poor drainage can cause bulbs to rot. Consider adding sand or organic matter to improve the soil's drainage if necessary. Fertilize wisely. Use a balanced fertilizer when planting. In subsequent years, a top dressing of compost or bulb-specific fertilizer in the fall can provide necessary nutrients. Watering needs. Water the bulbs after planting to help establish roots. During their growth phase, ensure they receive consistent moisture, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to rot. Mulch for protection. A layer of mulch can help protect the bulbs from harsh winter temperatures. Keep the soil moist and prevent weeds. Let foliage die naturally. After the flowers have bloomed, allow the foliage to die back naturally. This process helps the bulb store energy for the next growing season. Avoid cutting back the leaves until they have yellowed. Rotate bulb locations. If you plant bulbs in the same location year after year, the soil may become depleted of nutrients. Consider rotating your bulb planting areas or replenishing the soil to ensure healthy growth. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to enjoying beautiful blooms from your flower bulbs. Thanks for watching and subscribe.